y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Okay. Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So I know my bun is getting a little cut off. It's actually pretty tall. It's actually a little too tall of a ninja bun. It doesn't matter. So we're about to go out for like one little last hoorah. That's what I like to call it. But before Esther graduates. So I just wanted to come on here really quick because I got my wig. Got my wig. Got my wig. And I wanted to open it up really bad. I didn't want to wait. But I'm gonna do like another clip of this video where I'm trying it on and stuff like that. I'm not like advanced at wigs. I just started getting into wigs like June, like the end of close to the end of junior year. I started getting into wearing wigs. There's something in here flying. So I wanted to order, this is my first human hair wig, and it is from, I'm gonna open the box. So I'm not trying to think of it when I got the box right here. DHL is so nice. The man was like, he called me, he was like, is anybody home? And I was like, oh shoot, because I'm at school, but I sent it to my home address. So I was like, oh, I think my mom's home, let me call her. Long story short, he ended up coming back because nobody was there, because I was thinking they were just gonna push it to another day, but he was like, oh, I'll just come back later. I said, oh, bless you, bless you. Okay, so far, and I'm excited to see this because a lot of people were saying mixed comments about it. Oh, honey! Ooh. So, let me thumbnail. So, yeah, this is the box. It's from Elva Wigs. It's kind of like okay, bye. Got my human hair. Okay, so yeah, it's from Elva Wigs. Oh, honey, look at that. Ooh. Dang. Oh, let me show you what they gave me. Oh my gosh, I'm mixing it all up. Okay, so they gave a weaving cap, cool mesh weaving cap, new fashion. So this is obviously a nude weaving cap. Like I told y'all, I just started getting into them. So I don't use this color. I use black because it's just easier. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. Okay, so let me tell you guys which one I got. Well, let me say the rest because they put more stuff in here. So they have this MAC color lash, these lashes. They're really cute actually. F19. Is this like real MAC? I don't know. I mean, it's cute. It's cute. They did something. So they got some nail files. Okay, these little nail files. Okay, and then they have, oh, this elastic band. I don't know what to do with this, but it's in here. Perfect. And yeah, then they just have all their products and stuff like that. I ordered the pre-plucked sexy curly Brazilian hair. It's 13 by 6. Oh my gosh, I need some water. Lace front wig. The density is 130. It's 20 inches. Medium cap size, medium brown lace color, and a natural black hair color. Now, the density you couldn't choose on there, I know that. And the girl that I saw her review, she had 20 inches, but 20 inches looked like 22, and I wanted 22, so I just got the 20 inches. And yeah, that's what I got. So let me open her up and see what she's looking like, because this hairline better be pre-plucked, baby. That's what I do now. Straight out, this is what she's looking like. I mean, it's looking a little, I don't know. Let me see. Can't judge a book by its cover, so let me go ahead and, oh, okay. So, honey, look at her. Okay. I got like, I got some shedding, so that's not, you know, that's not really lovely. I keep getting a few strands, but a lot of people say they expect that from curly hair. I'm not that picky, just as long as it looks good. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so now I'm just taking out the wig so that I can wash it. So
make sure that your water is hot. That's why I keep pointing to it. Make sure that it's hot when you shampoo. And what I use is the Avalon Organics Therapy Thickening Shampoo. And my conditioner is the Aussie Miracle Moist Conditioner. Now I use this on my natural hair as well. So basically I'm just showing you guys what you do. You shampoo 5 times. Now the reason why I'm showing you guys without the wig is because I already did it with the wig and I wasn't actually recording. So at this point I was tired. So I'm just kind of showing you guys what you do. Fill up the water. Massage the shampoo into your wig. Make sure to really cleanse it, and you do that 5 times. Then you take the conditioner, do the same motion, brush through it. I use the Denman brush. And then you're going to take your plastic bag, put your wig in with the conditioner. Make sure that you washed out the shampoo, of course, and then put it in the microwave. So then, once it's out of the microwave, you're going to take it out and you're going to use cold water. Make sure that your water is cold. Then you're going to wash all the conditioner out. Make sure you wash it all out. It really doesn't matter if you're the type to do water and conditioner. Then you dry it with the towel and you're done. That's it.
Hi guys. Okay, so it's been a long time. It's been a really long time. At first I went, now I'm new at this. I'm still learning. I've done a lot of research about like wigs and stuff like that and how to do them, because sometimes braids or twists or stuff like that, they can get expensive, and it's just cheaper to actually just buy a wig that you can wear over and over again and just slap on when you have your hair twisted up or something like that, in my case. So I had went and got this got to be glue, but it was the spike something, and it wasn't a glue, and I filmed it with that and it just didn't go well. It just didn't go well, which I'm slow for that. I don't know, I've been seeing people use that too, so I was just like, okay, like this is gonna work, whatever. Anyways, I went back and got the blasting freeze spray like I was looking for the first time, but Walmart didn't have it, so I had to go to Target till across town. So just bear with me. I got her hair. So I really don't want to get my edges. I really do not. Press down on actuator to release spray. Apply 8 to 12, blah, blah, blah. I already know how to do it because I watch them girls do it. I need a little comb thing. Hey, Hannah. Here, Hannah, y'all. Okay. Oh, if I freeze you. Last time freeze. Oh! Okay. So we're going to try this together, y'all. Alright, I'm nervous. Okay, girly. Ah!
I don't think you're supposed to just keep spraying it.
That's what I'll be seeing. Oh, perfect. Didn't do anything. I need to put a little more.
Like I said before.
No.
If you just let it drip down your forehead.
I cut out the part with my ear. I've come to the conclusion that natural hair is my area of expertise. This video is pretty much just a kind of like a review about the hair. Please do not judge me on the execution, okay? I'm not trying to teach nobody nothing, okay, about no wigs. I'm not trying to teach nobody nothing. Me, I'm all about natural hair, okay, as you guys know on my channel. This you know what, look at this shedding, look at that. And every time I touch this wig I get some shedding, so I know this thing is not gonna last. But she's cute. Let me stand up for you guys. So I am 5'3", and it goes down to my lower, no, kind of, yeah, close to my lower back. And like I said, this was 20 inches. I'm about to take the scarf off. But the lace, honey, what lace? Oh, the lace is good, you know.
I would like to show Pepper.
No, the lace is really good. It blends really well. On camera, of course, it looks a little darker, but as I'm looking in my mirror, it still looks a little darker. But what you can do is bleach the knots. I know a lot of people say that. I just wanted to share this with you guys because I bought this with my own money. When I was looking for affordable human hair wigs, the only one I saw was like this YouTuber who, I mean, it was obvious that they sent her that, and the wig just looked so much better on her. I really like it. Once I, you know, get better with this got to be, bleach the knots, stuff like that, you're set, because even with this, it's not even that bad. It'll look even better. But yeah, guys, so things about this wig, it sheds a lot. So that density is gonna go down. Yeah, it's already 130. You can't change that density. And the girls in the other video looked full. When it's dry, it gets bigger. But yeah, 130, you can't change the density. But with all the shedding that it has, it's definitely gonna lose that little volume that it has already. So just be mindful of that. But you know, you get what you pay for. It's affordable, so it's good for the time being. When it does get puffy, it's a little bit more hard to manage, but it's cute, I guess. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment. Stay tuned for more videos to come. Stay blessed and stay sweet.
Release the rhythm, the international vibes machine. Credible.
Caribbean house.